abusiafo, take it from me, Ibrahim Mahama ye Kronfuɔ Ibrahim Mahama, hey, that man is a criminal, and it's a criminal being bagana. That man is a Kronfuɔ Ibrahim Mahama ye frost or a scammer, I swear to God, me do nyame. The way a man let him forging a Azumah Resources, private company, or letterhead, and they execute fraudulent facility agreement signing ceremony. In which I say, hey, man, he a Kronfuɔ, man, he a criminal. Ibrahim Mahama, that man is a criminal. And as I'm American, and you grown a media, I'm going to give you evidence. Now, but Trinity Ibrahim Mahama a criminal, now, but Trinity, your name Mahama, President Mahama, a criminal, so my Kronfuɔ, almost in private individual, agent gold mines and finish them. But Trinity in October 9th, 2023. And a company in the Azumah Resources, any engineers and planners near other companies be sign agreement to say, almost 2 gold mines, back a black volta gold mines, and the other one a Sankofa gold mines, almost beton Ediama engineers and planners. Almost signs agreement in October 2023. Company national anymore engineers and planners Ibrahim Mahama and Yesikan and Famba. Over 1 year until December 24 2024, and Azumah Resources actual letter ma Ibrahim Mahama and the company say, Oma Shani Mama Yesikamba, until Pamno Chanu, Abwane Sawaka, and so on re, Omon Toma Mubim. No more crown, no more Timia call, almost shareholders, where Timia resist car, or more person who develop concessions, no Omudu Mujuma, until Omono to Panta, Oma Pai. Company media when say what communicated to you formally. Let her name that sort of honor. And or go about in the business or develop a concession or and you ma air coso. Omo or how cabin shame, Omo who say let her be any num in from Salete, that's the way. As our letter is under their letterhead. Letter is on their letterhead, inviting City FM, any other media houses to a year ceremony be almost friend of facility agreement signing. Facility agreement signing meaning say engineers and planners any Azumah Resources eba signing agreement say engineers and planners at all a year almost black volta gold mines no. Now quickly a company no Azumah Resources ebe issue press statement ebe issue disclaimer say sa letter na come from mema ya senior media houses say omomba partake in a facility agreement signing ceremony no omu nim ho hwe although e wo mo letterhead so omu nim ho hwe na omo nya omo agin say omo ton company no gold mines no ama engineers and planners and any other company and afen so omo so ma obia say on acting on their behalf and ton even parts of that company, gold mines, Emma engineers and planners, and any other company, Omo develop your company. That means he said Ibrahim Mahama forged their letterhead to invite people to a fraudulent facility agreement signing. And you see, Emma said this man is criminal and dangerous. And they say, Obi a company no ababe issue disclaimer openly. And so could you believe say Ibrahim Mahama Koso? He went ahead and now 7th July. And yes, our ceremony no unilaterally signing krata or no ankasa forcefully taking gold mines and black water gold mines project taking it forcefully by force. Because any near president in the state back in the yadi or mind to me back in it or gold mines in every private company in some by force way and your criminal and a bit in your and your criminal and a bit in your some me or me drop a day. Me say men tom mao and come a tom mao, me tom mao, and a wooden yesica, na me say men tom mao beam. Now what for them me letterhead at ye inviting Kronfuɔ to a fraudulent ceremony a minim hoshi a many parts. Me I'm not part in an agreement signing what say what to a every me and you went ahead and did that ceremony you signed those papers And you are saying that you are the owner of Black Voter Gold Project. And it takes only a criminal to do this. It takes only a criminal. And I'm saying that man is a criminal.
About me answer. About me, I am a poison.
And
who got that London Guys Hospital? Doctor Sinkato said, then
I don't take far.
Asemsia, yes, a dance here. Me, my dance in Mia Brutri, my dance in Samaria Bawumia, and Dr. Mamadou Bawumia. One pound court, they are my two witnesses.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart.
Samira, you are my witness. And say, and a Mamadou Bawumia, Bawumia, and where I done your catcher say, Bawumia, so where I apro. Bawumia, and so. Vice President, Obi or Koba say, Paddy send their canacra. Nadian West, Yabani Gary, Sikagari, Nadian West, according to chemicals. It's about Baumia Guys Hospital. Nayina Samira Baumia, Ekatra Baumia bodyguard, and say, do not allow any party member to come visit my husband. Samira Adilai, look me here. Make up and tell me that I am lying. Convoy, make up because Samira Baumia got the wind of the whole thing that, hey, if I am not careful, may we do.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
May we do. Our Guys Hospital. Ask me, how did I get to know baby about me? I've been here doing national security.
Therefore, me the same
minimum part about me. That's only rumor. Say, "Oh, we go to that Guys Hospital." Remember what Dimechi? Remember the work your. No much so rumor about me. Our Guys Hospital. Our London. One of the most expensive hospitals in UK. The friend Guys Hospital. Who bet me I Google GUYS Guys Hospital.
Papa.
Na Baumia, Samira Baumia, anu anya dia, kayetini kunu say, it's all realize here, two baby no, not the way about Baumia nantia no, nipa ntiase.
Therefore, me the same paibo ho.
The catch on send them a pray,
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Baumia nantua baby, as I say, Kronfuɔ Ibrahim red wine, almost one day. Or a Muslim.
Papa.
And that is also of
a few one, you read about one who said no about me, I to me, you and finish it. You want to say, eh? Me, and tough one, I know. Would you could tell me by half as how? Yeah, come for a year in that show. A year in that show, and tough one before no, you come by half as how. And to show Baumia, you won't say no party, you can't want. You crow marble so many bediachi.
Yeah, dear. You're free slim. It's been bedi and him that.
Okay, I didn't say, oh, but I'm fat. Now Baumia, so I can't say, okay. Saminya by MPP flag bearer, Nipa me penny John Kuma. Your bosom nobody with cheek. Mentor my dance for. So don't worry, number one. Number two, Baumia Nankasa.